Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Today I am going to talk about a very important thing about German. You have seen that we say a normal sentence and we can also use sometimes werden, that is called future tense. So our simple sentence can also be considered as a future tense. But why do we use actually werden plus infinitive? What is the use? We say it futur eins. I'll give you example like ich fahre morgen nach Paris. I will travel tomorrow to Paris. I will travel tomorrow to Paris. It's my simple sentence and here I am talking about that I will travel tomorrow to Paris. Ich fahre morgen nach Paris. Another way I can also say ich werde nächsten Monat nach Paris fahren. I will be traveling next month to Paris. What is the difference actually? The difference is that in the second sentence I am talking about my plan. My plan. This is my plan to travel to Paris next month. Ich werde nächsten Monat nach Paris fahren. But in the previous one I am saying simply ich fahre morgen nach Paris, that I will travel. I will travel. I have to travel due to any reason. But in the second sentence, ich werde nach Paris fahren. Next example. Gehen Sie morgen mit mir ins Kino. Will you go tomorrow to cinema with me? And the person reply, nein, es wird morgen regnen. Es wird morgen regnen means it will rain tomorrow. So in this sentence, it's a prediction. When we guess something, we predict something, we forecast, we use werden. First reason, when we talk about our plan, future plan. Second reason, when we talk about prediction, forecast, especially weather. I have read in the newspaper today, it will rain tomorrow. Es wird morgen regnen. Wir fahren nicht. We will not travel. It will be raining. It is written, it is mentioned in the news. So this is the forecast. So we use werden plus infinitive when we forecast something. Prognose. We say prognose. Prognose when we forecast or plan. Plan. These two important points. Then we use werden plus infinitive. Rest all our sentences are normal. Ich schreibe morgen Prüfung. Ich fahre morgen nach Mumbai. Ich spiele morgen cricket. These are my simple sentence, but it will be considered as future. Both correct, but werden plus infinitive in a particular situation when we predict something, forecast something, like who will win tomorrow's match, India or Germany? Ich glaube Indian. Again I am forecasting. It's my guess. I am predicting that India might win. It's my forecast. Prognose. That is my prognose. Prediction, forecast. I hope you understand the concept. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.